So what you're looking at here is some beautiful chicken breast, which we've marinated in lots of garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and then we just stick it in the pan and cook the life out of it. It's delicious, I'm not kidding. That is really good. Let me have a little taste of that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, zesty, garlicky loveliness. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here 3 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone. Now that's about 500 grams in total. So they're not massive, you know, they're decent size, but not huge. So that's about a pound. What we're going to do is I'm going to just score them just here. So just going into them gently, a couple of millimeters, nothing too deep. Then I'm going to go across the other way as well. Like so. Let me do the others. So I've now put them into a mixing bowl. I've got some olive oil here. I've got a really beautiful olive oil from Jordan. It's really delicious. I'm going to go like sort of 3-4 tablespoons. I mean, you can drink this stuff, it's fantastic. I'm going to go for a tablespoon of chopped garlic, then some salt and pepper. In goes the salt. I'm using this pink Himalayan stuff at the moment. Let's grab some ground black pepper. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grate the skin or the zest off of a couple of lemons and lime I'm going to use today, and the juice. So let me just do that, and then we're going to pop that in as well. So yeah, here we go. So look, I've got 2 lemons and I've got 2 limes, and I've grated the zest off, so there's quite a lot there. I mean, you can just do it with just lemon if you want. I love lime, actually. I prefer lime over lemon, I think. And then here's the juice of the 4. So that was roughly about half a cup each, I think. But really simply, what we're going to do is we're going to give this a little mix. We're going to get some shrink wrap, plastic wrap, or cling film, whatever you call that, over the top of that. Now, if you can leave that in your fridge overnight, you're going to do yourself some great favors. If not, you want to leave it for at least 1 hour. So here's my chicken. That's been a few hours. You see it's kind of slightly changed color with the lemon and lime juice onto the chicken meat. Now I've got a pan here. I've got one of those ones. That's neither here nor there. You can have a flat skillet. What we're going to do is take our chicken and we're going to just drop that on. Now I've just put the heat on this. It's on a kind of medium heat. So in they go. And don't throw this away. We're going to be adding this, but what's quite important is that we're going to be adding this in the first half of the cooking. I mean, remember that's been sitting in raw meat, so you don't want to be adding it later. It's got to go in within the first sort of 50% of the cooking, so at least has 50% time to cook out. These are quite small, they're not huge, so probably going to take about 5 minutes aside on a kind of fairly lively heat. What's going to happen is the lemon juice and the lime juice is going to evaporate out. We're going to be flipping them, and in the first few minutes I'm going to be adding all of this. Lovely stuff. So this is the last of my marination. Like I say, very important that you get this in within the first 50% of the cooking, the first half. So I'm going to be flipping. It's going to evaporate out all of the juices. I'm going to get some nice colour on it. Okay, so I'm happy about there. All of the juices have burnt off, as you can see there. All that blackening off, that's the garlic and the lemon zest. But really super. And a little bit of that blackening on here is going to taste beautiful. Job done. I've kind of zoomed right in here so you can see it. And I've cut one of them open, as you can see. Beautifully done. Really nice and moist, light, garlicky as hell, lemony as hell, fantastic stuff. If you want, let it cool down, stick that on a salad, get a sandwich, get it into a sandwich there or something like that, or just eat it like that with some potatoes and some vegetables, up to you. In fact, I don't care what you do with it, that's delicious. See you later. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.